Hey everyone, and welcome to This Explainer. Look, if you're a graphic designer, or honestly, anyone who even touches visual media, you already know the ground is shifting right under our feet. Today, we're arming you with your ultimate 2026 digital arsenal. We've dug through the latest research to bring you the 10 absolute essential AI tools that every single designer needs to be trying right now. These aren't just fun little novelties anymore. No way. These are fundamental instruments literally reshaping how we create. Okay, let's dive into this. I want you to really stop and think about it for a second. How much time are you wasting on just manual design edits? Are we talking hours? Days? The conversation around AI usually jumps straight to this fear of replacement. But today, we are completely reframing that. AI is your ultimate time saver. It's like having a brilliant assistant that just handles all the tedious grunt work, completely freeing you up to do what you actually want to do, design and create. To get you fully up to speed, here is your 2026 creative blueprint. We're going to start with the new design reality, move into ideation and interfaces, check out the image generators, look at perfecting the pixels, and wrap up with the video revolution. Let's get to it. Section 1. The new design reality. Moving past manual labor. So the truth is, graphic design is evolving incredibly fast, right? Staying competitive in 2026 really means future-proofing your workflows. You literally just cannot afford to spend hours on things an algorithm can knock out in seconds. As our source material perfectly points out, AI is becoming one of the biggest game changers for designers. Whether you're whipping up a simple logo or editing a massive promotional video, these tools are built to take hours of manual labor right off your plate. Some are free, some are paid, but every single one of them has the potential to totally transform how you work. Section 2. Ideation and interfaces. Getting started with smart concepts. Listen, before you even push a single pixel, you need a smart concept. We've all been there, right? Staring at that dreaded blank page, fighting layout fatigue. And this brilliantly illustrates how tool number 4 on our list, ChatGPT, is not strictly just for writing. For visual artists, it's a vital, rapid pipeline tool to smash through those initial creative blocks. You start by using it to brainstorm raw ideas. Then, you get it to generate highly specific, optimized prompts for your image generators. And finally, you build out fully fleshed out creative concepts before you ever even boot up your design software. It's basically your strategic sparring partner. Okay, so once you've got that concept locked in, interface designers have to get to work. And that brings us to tool number 3, Figma AI. If you're in the UI or UX space, you know exactly how mind-numbing repetitive interface work can get. Well, Figma AI steps in and tackles this head-on with smart wireframes, automated layout adjustments, and intelligent interface suggestions. It literally takes all that tedious mathematical guesswork out of aligning and spacing, which speeds up your structural process in a huge way. Section 3. The image generators, the core visual engines. Let's move to and see how this builds to introduce our heavy-hitting visual tools. So these are the absolute heavy hitters, the engines that actually pump out the raw visual assets you'll be playing with. We're breaking down 4 massive tools side by side here, really helping you pick the exact right weapon for your specific needs. Coming in at number 9 is Canva AI. This one is absolutely perfect for beginners who need super fast content creation, presentations, or quick design suggestions. Next up, tool number 8, Adobe Firefly. This is the ultimate assistant if you're already living in the Adobe ecosystem. You can expand photos, swap out styles just using text prompts, and generate assets directly inside your Adobe apps. Then we've got tool number 7, Midjourney. If you're a concept artist hunting for that top-tier, ridiculously high-quality artwork, or just pure inspiration, this is 100% your go-to. And finally, tool number 6, Leonardo AI. Digital illustrators are just flocking to this one, especially for game assets, because it gives you incredibly fine, granular control over exactly how your image is generated.
Section 4. Perfecting the pixels, the polish phase.
Right, so once you've actually generated those images, you almost never just publish them as is. This stage is all about bringing that precision, cleanliness, and upscaling to your raw assets. And the crucial point here is perfectly captured in this comparison. Think about the old way, before AI. You were spending agonizing hours just manually masking and cutting out backgrounds with the pen tool. Ouch. Now, with tool number 10, Remove BG, you just upload an image and boom, the background is gone instantly. We're talking seconds. For product photos, YouTube thumbnails, social media graphics, the amount of time this saves is honestly staggering. Now, standard generated assets often come out lacking a bit of texture or those really sharp details, but Magnific AI, our number 2 tool, acts as the ultimate final polish. It doesn't just awkwardly blow up the image, it actively enhances the quality. It adds incredibly sharp, hyper-realistic details to your artwork and creative assets while keeping everything crisp and clean. Seriously, it is the difference between a rough draft and a final masterpiece.
Section 5. The Video Revolution. The Motion Frontier. All right, so we've built our concepts, we've generated the images, and we've perfected the pixels. Now we step into the motion frontier. This is where AI is making the absolute most jaw-dropping leaps forward in 2026. If you are a video creator or a motion designer, tool number 5, Runway ML, is practically a requirement at this point for massively speeding up your editing workflow. You can do crazy complex object removal right in moving video. You can do totally dynamic background replacements without ever touching a green screen. And obviously, it features full AI video generation. It literally turns your editing bay into a playground. But there is one tool that stands above all the rest. The tool that is currently becoming a massive, undeniable favorite among creators all over the world. The number one essential AI tool for graphic designers in 2026 is...
Tool number 1 is Kling AI. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is how it defines what this tool actually does. It takes simple text prompts or even just static images and transforms them into incredibly high-fidelity cinematic videos. We are way beyond those glitchy, weird, low-res experiments from a couple of years ago. Creators are actively using Kling AI right now for high-level storytelling, producing commercial ads, and driving seriously engaging content creation. It is absolutely the pinnacle of the designer's digital arsenal today.
And that wraps up our look at the 10 essential AI tools you've got to try in 2026. So I want to leave you with a quick question directly inspired by our source material. Which tool surprised you the most? Take a moment to just reflect on what your new 2026 workflow could look like and how you can seamlessly integrate these amazing time savers into your daily routine. If you found this explainer helpful, make sure to check out Pixology and subscribe to them for more graphic design tips, AI tools, and creative tutorials. Keep learning, keep creating, and I'll catch you in the next explainer.